First of all, any function, if it finds any uh, true statement in the list, then it will turn the result would be true. And if it finds like everything is false, then it will return false. Even if it finds one true and the rest is false, it will still return true. So any means that if there is any true item in the list, it will return true. And if there is not even one true item, it will return false. So we'll just have a look. Our function, and the list would be false, and I'll just print that, and it has returned true because we are looking for any. So any means it could be even one true. It's false, then it's true. So we have found two truths. Instead of this, if I write false here, okay, and then run the program, I'll still get true because there's any means even one. So I have one true. And if I replace this with false and then run it, it will have false because there's not even one true in the list, so it will return false. So it's very simple. With all, okay, so all means that there should be all true for it to become true. If there is three true and one false, it will still be false. If there is this, and it gives me false because all is false. If I just replace one, and it will give me still false because everything should be true. And if I just replace every, if I replace it by, if there is one false and three true, still it will return false. And if I have all true, then it will return true. So for this, it should be all, everything should be true in the list.